20 plus years, and I work at Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab. And some of the things that I was looking to learn here from this class were how this material feels in hand and kind of how it works when applying to different surfaces. I like that there are a lot of different stations that weren't necessarily commercial stations, a little bit of stations that you would find in a home or maybe a kitchen. And so that was very valuable for my experience. The plethora of material that we were able to use, that was very different. I was happy to have like 5 or 6 variety of material in different finishes and to kind of understand how they work. And I think the hands-on doing a lot of elements that come together so you can kind of see how elements look when they are placed next to each other, because we don't always have the luxury of choosing materials and placing them next to each other. So it's kind of nice to have that option and see how things, if they clash or if they work, or can I make this pop by using something else. Oh, the trainers were excellent. I'm very knowledgeable. I was able to ask some questions that were stumpers, but we managed to work through them and find solutions that work. It was nice to see installers at different speeds and levels. We all kind of worked together to troubleshoot some things and point out pointers. It was a good team environment.